Now let's marinate the chicken for the chicken fried rice with some half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix this well. Now we are going to fry this in oil. Let's add in some oil to fry the chicken. Just a tablespoon of oil. This for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll take it out. Saute this well till it cooks, till the chicken is soft. Now the chicken is ready. We'll take this out. Now next we'll fry the eggs. Now we'll take out the egg. Now let's take a big pan to saute the vegetables. There you go. And add some oil in it. Now we'll add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we'll add in some ginger and garlic, minced ginger and garlic. Saute this for a while. I'm adding in 2 green chilies, chopped onions. Saute this for a while and then we'll add in vegetables. Saute this onion, ginger and garlic, and now we'll add in mixed vegetables. Now we'll add in some spring onions. We'll add in a pinch of salt for this vegetable. Saute this vegetable well till it cooks. It should be only half done. Okay? Here you go. Add in some soya sauce. Now we'll add in the cooked rice. Now we'll add in the fried chicken. Add in the scrambled eggs. Yes. We'll add in the spring onions. Garnish this and mix this well. Toss this for a while. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder, black pepper powder. Add in a teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well and your fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching.